Let's crochet the claw of baby chick. Start 5 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch. Pick up the orange yarn. Wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Drape that yarn over your index finger. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Put the hook into the loop from right to left, from back to top. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Then pull the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger until a knot is formed. 1 chain stitch. 2 chain stitches. 3, 4, 5. Now, we will crochet a slip stitch in the 4th chain stitch that we crocheted just now. Put the hook into the 4th chain stitch hole. Yarn over and then pull that yarn through everything on the hook. So you should have 1 loop left on the hook. That is a slip stitch. Let's crochet 2 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch twice. 2 chain stitch finished. One slip stitch finished. 1, 2. Slip stitch in 1st chain stitch hole finished. We need to find the 3rd stitch of the foundation chain and crochet a slip stitch in it. 1, 2, 3. And crochet a slip stitch in it. And then, crochet a slip stitch in the 2nd stitch of the foundation chain. Last step, crochet a slip stitch in the 1st stitch of the foundation chain. One claw finished and leave the long tail for sewing. Try the 2nd claw on your own now.